Financial tips for you. Live below your means. I used to eat cheap ramen and tuna fish to invest the saved money in my business. Now, I have a 6-figure business. You must deprive yourself of money early, so you can invest your way to wealth. Build a machine. An average millionaire has 7 income streams. You can't become wealthy by your job or business alone. You need to create systems of passive income where you invest $10,000 in ads and get $100,000 back. Good debt versus bad debt. Bad debt is that loses you money like credit card or high-interest loans. Good debt is that makes you more money than the interest you pay. Example, if you buy a property on debt and have the rental income higher than your loan payments. Save 10% every month. People who don't have money saved are one disaster away from a debt spiral. They can lose their job or get an accidental medical bill and resort to high-interest debt. Don't be those people. Invest money in you. People think they are smart to not buy a valid course, but it's the dumbest decision. The only place where you must spend freely is self-improvement. Because without it, your income won't increase. Planned purchases. You can buy yourself nice things, but the real enemy is impulse purchases. You order it only to find out you don't need it that much. That's why when you want something, the more planned the better. Friends with savings. Don't throw your money away with people who spend at expensive restaurants or on useless wants. You need to have friends who have the same economic values as you do. Remember, when poor people make fun of your money choices, you are on your way to wealth. 608.6K views, 11K up votes, 1K shares, 54 comments.